Hello everyone, Jarvis here again. You are watching the No Boss Empire show, and in today's video I'm going to be quickly showing you how to design a thumbnail for your YouTube video on Canva. I'm sure I'm not sure if you hop on Canva, but if you haven't, do it right now, because it is an amazing tool. Okay, it makes you become a graphic designer. Okay, basically. So look at this. Once you sign up, you come to the first page, which is your dashboard right here, and you can actually go into create design. And as I'm doing a YouTube thumbnail, I'll just do a quick search saying YouTube, and it says YouTube thumbnail 1280 by 720, which is the right size we are going to be doing. So I've just uploaded a quick update on a couple of NFTs on the last video, so I need to do a quick thumbnail just to make it nice. So with this video, I'm just going to show you quickly how to whip up a thumbnail. Alright, so I'm on the correct size. So as you can see on the left, you can see all these templates that you can use, and they are fantastic. They look awesome. Okay, they've got the right colors, right colors, right font, right size. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I want to do my own. So I will choose my thumbnail. I will use my because NFT. Let's use this one because I've been using yellow. Okay, let's add some text on it. Which will say, let's see what is nice. So you can see you can use all these different fonts. Okay, they have all these templates that we are going to use. We're going to choose one. Cool, smooth, and tasty. That looks alright. That's cool. Okay, let's open it up. Resize it. Okay, put it in the middle. You can see the pink line, the purple line, or whatever in the middle. That's sort of a guide for you. So I'm going to talk about latest update on my NFT journey. Okay. I'll change it all to caps on the first one. Okay, extend that so that we can use a bit more space. Okay. And then I put here Jarvis. As the hype on. Alright, so that's my title. A little bit, scale it back down a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna put a picture of myself. I like to use this one. take out my background. So you choose your uploaded picture, you choose effects, choose background remover. It removes the background. That's my favorite tool, favorite feature on this. There's people actually making a living out of removing background for photos. If you know, you can do that too. So if I'm on this side, let's put myself on this side and put this thing here. Go a bit down. Okay. What I'm going to do, I will put a element on it around the words so that it will pop a little bit bigger. So where is it? Okay, there we go. So I'm going to put it like that. Make it sort of same size. Okay. Send it back. Send it to the back. Send it to the back. Okay, done. Okay, I don't want that color. It looks a bit shitty. I'll go a bit of red. Okay. And maybe I will neon this. Headline. Okay, put it in white. Maybe grayish. Dark gray. Dark grayish. Okay. Good. JavaScript. Is the height died? Is the height slowed? And then I want to put my logo on it. Pick one of this. Put it here. There you go. Okay. That will be my thumbnail for the last video I've uploaded. So what I'm going to do, I quickly download from here. Choose download PNG. Correct. And then I just download. There you go. I've done the thumbnail, and then now I'm going to quickly go to YouTube and upload this thumbnail to the video that we have. Okay, go to library, go into your library or your videos, and then once you're in the back end of it, Okay, there you go. So this is my recording. Okay, let's go to, is it my channel? Okay, let's see what I have now. Sounds a bit loud, yeah, doesn't it? Wow. Now it's clearer, I speak. Okay, where do I go to? Studio. Just wanted to quickly upload it and attach it to this to my content. Okay, go to this, details. Okay, upload thumbnail. Wait for the circle to stop. That one. Open. There you go. Once you got that, save. And you're all done. Your video thumbnail. Fantastic. How good is that? Easy peasy Japanesey. Alright. Thanks for watching. Hope that helped you. Any questions, feel free to quickly drop me a comment. And looking forward to speaking with you in the next video. Bye for now. Peace.